Right, so let's have a look how to do this on our calculator. Let's go menu and we go down to number 4, calculus, and what you want to find is a derivative. So I'm going to do the first one. So the derivative with respect to what? X, that's our variable. So we had 3 on x minus x squared. And then we wanted to find the gradient when x equals 1. So I think the easiest way is to just scroll up till that's highlighted. And then use in this menu here, control, and this means given that. So given that x equals 1. There's lots of other ways of doing it as well, but that's probably just as easy as any. Let's look at the second one, menu, calculus, derivative. This was 2 times, with respect to what? X. And it was 2 times the square root of x. Minus 4, 1 on root x, and then we want to find what is the gradient when x equals 2. So I copy up, given that x equals 2. All right, there's lots of other ways of doing it. So it was at x equals a half. My settings are there, so it gives a decimal value, but really we want it as an exact answer, so I shouldn't actually do that. So I'm going to make this 1 on 2. And then it gives that square root 2, which is what we got. Similarly for the next one, but I won't show you that one. Let's have a look at the exponential function though. The E we use for the exponential function is this one here. You can't use keyboard E. If I use the keyboard E, it just comes out normally. If I use the actual function e to the power of 1, and then I'll do a control equals, that gives me the decimal approximation. So if I wanted to find the derivative of the one we had, e to the power of 8x, menu for 1 ddx e to the 8x, and that'll give you the answer there. We could also use derivative at a point if we wanted to. So if I go calculus, then number 2, derivative at a point. If I wanted to find the variable of x ddx, if I wanted to find the value of the derivative at x equals 1, we could put it in there. We're only going to do first derivatives. I'm going to do that and then type in my equation there.